Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and just the other day I did a video on how to put this like a bubble outline around this, and it's pretty cool, but all the bubbles are symmetrical. And an internet friend of mine that does macros, and he's a Corel genius, watched my video and he said he's got a macro that does this, that he created. So we're just going to take this one right here and we're going to nudge it out of the way. And what it does, it overlaps. We're going to use the overlap mode. I've only played around with this a little bit today, and we're going to create circles on the boundary. And look at that, it did it, and they're not symmetrical. So when we put it back, because the person that wanted it done kind of wanted it to look like a cloud. And there's several things you could play with the numbers, and I haven't really played with them too much. But we're going to go, so that one was 99 and 0 and 6. We're going to go 60, and we'll just do 60 and just change that one number. And you can see they got less bubbles or smoother bubbles. And then let's do this one, and let's change it to 80, but change this to 15. And you can see that it made, sorry about that, see that it made it bigger, more ununiform. And honestly, I've only played around with this just a little bit. Let's make the circles a little bit bigger, and let's go to 25, create a boundary. And what it did, it just made them smoother. So let's back up there and make this just 0.5 of a circle boundary. That doesn't look as good, but what it does do real quickly, it creates like a cloud effect, and you don't have to blend like I did in the first video. That looks pretty cool. And you don't have to break the contour apart. You don't have to cut the circles apart. And there's some other things. I'm going to make a second video of what this program can do. So, and it's a free macro, and I am going to put the link to his, and right here it is, circles on curve ends. And he's got 28 macros. And this one, I don't know, this one was done the very first of this year, but I just never looked at it. So I will leave this link. It's free. This young person does this to help everybody. It's a community of Corel Draw users. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.